Good morning, students. Welcome back to the new session. In the previous session, we have completed lines and angles with the worksheet. Now, today we are going to start a new topic, triangles. So, what you have a basic knowledge, just I am going to recap your basic knowledge in this session. What is a triangle first? Triangle, a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. You can see in this figure the vertex, the side and angles are mentioned clearly. So now we are going to learn types of triangles based on the sides and angles. Now there are three types of triangles on the basis of the length of the sides. Scalene, length of all sides are different. You can see the image. Isosceles, length of two sides are equal. And equilateral triangle, length of three sides are equal. There are three types of triangles on the basis of angles. Acute angle, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, one angle is greater than 90, and right angle, one angle is equal to 90. Now, for example, based on the sides and angles, we have different names. If you compare these two names, like acute angular triangle, you will have only scalene. Acute angle triangle, you have scalene, isosceles, as well as equilateral. Because you can say example acute scalene. Now 50, 60, 70. The three angles of an acute angle are 50, 60, 70. There are three different angles and they are below 90. Now you can say it is acute angle and scalene triangle. Same way acute angle may also be an isosceles. If I take 80, 50 and 50. So sum of three angles is 180 and all the three are less than 90. And two angles are same, one angle is different. So it is acute isosceles triangle or isosceles acute angular triangle. And acute may also be a equilateral. 60, 60, 60. All the angles are equal and the sum of the angles equal to 180. It forms a triangle. So acute angle is also be a equilateral. All angles are equal. So obtuse angle, one angle is greater than 90. So here equilateral triangle is not possible for obtuse because equilateral means all angles are 60, no angle is greater than 90. So for obtuse and right angle, equilateral is not possible, but scalene and isosceles are possible. I can take a scalene example, 100, 30, 50. And 100, 40, 40 for isosceles. In obtuse, right angle you can take 90, 40, 50 and 90, 45, 45. So in obtuse and right angle, equilateral triangles are not possible. Only in acute you will get an equilateral triangle. So now the topic is congruency. What is meant by congruence actually? If the shape and size of two figures are same, then these are called congruent. You can see in a general of examples, you can see wings of a fan. All the three wings will be in a equal shape and equal size, or pages in your notebook or pages in your textbook. All are in equal size and those are all congruent figures. Like you can take same size of bangles. So many examples, pair of socks. So these are all congruent. So congruent means shape and size are of two figures are same. Simply we can say that in a general example we can say that if two objects overlap each other exactly, then those are congruent figures. So in circles, two circles are congruent if their radii are same, because circle you have only one measurement, that is radius. So if their radius are same, if the radii of two circles is same, in the figure it is given r and r. So they are same, they can call as congruent circles. Same way for a square, if the sides are equal. For a square, if S, because only one measurement sides, if in the same way in rectangle, if lengths and breadths are equal for two rectangles, so they are congruent to each other. Now comparing congruence with a triangle will be congruent if its corresponding sides and angles are equal. The symbol of congruent is given there. A similarity, down you can keep equal sign, the symbol of congruency, because the similar and congruent is nothing but the similar, all congruent figures are similar and also they are equal. That's why we show the symbol like that. And I said you all congruent are similar figures, but all similar figures are not congruent. In this figure you can see it, ABC and DEF congruent if AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF, and angle A equal to D, angle B equal to E and angle C equal to F. Here then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now my dear students, so here I am going to stop the topic. The next session will discuss how you can compare both triangles are congruent, but because with what is the minimum requirement to find the both triangles are congruent, that all we are going to discuss in the next session. Thank you children. Have a nice day.